Hello and welcome to the Yas Exclusive for July. This month I've had the unique opportunity to try to learn what things were like before COVID. I keep scheduling like discovery meetings and sales, all sorts of meetings with customers and potential customers, and I keep assuming that they know that we're gonna meet over video because we haven't been meeting in person for the last year and a half, 2 years. And then people show up here and I'm like, I'm not prepared to see somebody face to face. I mean, it doesn't really make a difference. It's just, I need to get used to assuming people want to meet in person again, which is lovely, and I've missed it a lot. So let's jump into it. I don't know where I'm pointing at you. So this month for website launches, we launched 4 sites. So we've got BoneQuest Outfitters. We launched the site for the Glen at Crossmount. We launched the site for Job Squid, and we launched the site for Lakewood Common Medical Clinic. So go check those out. I'll have probably little images right about here of each one. Proud of our mock-ups. For blogs/videos, I recorded by request a tutorial on YOAST SEO, which is a plugin that you can put in a WordPress website. All the ones that we build come with it, but there's just kind of a few things that you can do with it to optimize for SEO. So if you have a website and you want to look into optimizing it a little bit more, take a look at that video for sure. And finally, for what I'm listening to, the book is called Inspired: How to Create Tech Products Customers Love by Marty Cagan. I'm always so afraid to pronounce names. You'll get this from me every time. If you are in the software business and you're looking to either hire a product owner or product manager or any of that sort of stuff, I do recommend this for you. It's super dense. I'm gonna have to listen to it at least one more time because there's more information in there than I could parse in one go. If you are not in the tech industry and you're just any other kind of local business, I don't recommend this for you because you probably won't get much out of it. Otherwise, that is all I have for this month. I've been trying to grow our YouTube channel, so please, if you see this on there, like, comment, and subscribe. Our count is going up faster than ever, still slowly but surely, but I've been really proud of it, and it just inspires me to want to make more videos of useful stuff that business owners like you can take advantage of. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.